In this video, I'll show you how to use Thenty for social sign-on. This will allow your users to sign in and sign up using their Google account. I'm Georgia from Insert Frame. Let's go. So the first thing that we'll do is go to the Thenty plugin, opening it up inside of the page that you want to add Google sign-on to. We'll go to settings and we will look for social sign-on. And here we've been giving the options to add Google sign-on. Now, if you've already got a Google Cloud account set up, that's great. If you don't, you can just follow the link here. So after you click that, you'll be redirected to this page. And if we hit Google Cloud Console, you'll be redirected here to set up your account. Let's go create credentials and we'll go OAuth client ID and we'll go web application. We can name this after your website or membership platform. I'll call mine Thenty. Now we can leave the JavaScript origins alone for now. We can set up the authorized URIs, which is the destination that your Google client will be redirected to before they are sent back to your site. So we can go back to Thenty and actually copy this authorized redirect URIs and paste it in here. And we can hit create. Now you'll see a client ID and client secret. Now we just need to copy these and paste them inside of your Thenty dashboard. Now you can just paste them in here and go save. And once you go save, it may take up to 10 to 15 minutes just as it's a new application created in Google. But let's go back to our Framer site now. Okay, now that I'm back inside of my Thenty plugin, we can go social sign in and we can now see the credentials are here. We can go back to home and go authentication and we can pull in the sign in form. And we can see that this form here has a sign in with Google. And so as long as you have your Google single sign-on set up inside of your Thenty application, this button here will work when you publish your site. It's that easy. Happy building.